In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet step by step. This is a simple but very useful customization that can make your project timelines easier to read, more visually organized, and much more professional when sharing with your team or stakeholders. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just want certain tasks to stand out, changing Gantt chart bar colors in Smartsheet can really help. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log into your Smartsheet account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, open the sheet that contains your Gantt chart. Make sure that the sheet is already set up in Gantt View. If you're not in Gantt View, switch to it so you can see the timeline bars on the right-hand side of your screen. Now, once your Gantt chart is visible, look closely at the right side of the sheet where the timeline starts. You'll notice a thin vertical line separating the grid on the left from the Gantt chart on the right. Click on that thin line, then drag and drop it slightly to the left or right. This gives you more space to clearly see your Gantt bars, which makes the next steps much easier, especially if you're working with a lot of tasks. Next, locate the specific taskbar in the Gantt chart that you want to change the color of. Move your cursor over the bar itself in the timeline area. Once you see the bar clearly highlighted, click on it. This selects the individual Gantt bar associated with that task. After selecting the bar, right-click directly on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option called Color Settings. Click on Color Settings to open the color selection panel. Inside the color settings, you'll see a variety of color options you can choose from. Simply click on the color you want to apply to that Gantt bar. As soon as you select a color, the bar will instantly update in your Gantt chart. This allows you to visually separate tasks by priority, status, owner, or any system that works best for your project. You can repeat this same process for any other tasks in your Gantt chart. Just click the bar, right-click, open Color Settings, and choose a different color. This is especially helpful if you want to highlight critical tasks, milestones, or deadlines that need extra attention. One quick tip before we wrap up: using consistent colors across your projects can make your Gantt charts much easier to understand at a glance. For example, you might use one color for completed tasks, another for in-progress tasks, and another for high-priority items. And that's it. You've successfully changed Gantt chart colors in Smartsheet. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.